Chilly water isn't a problem for a warm-blooded cormorant. She can swim in it all day, but can only hold her breath for a few minutes. He, on the other hand, completes his whole half-hour trip on one single breath. His flat face and sharp teeth make him an efficient seaweed cropping machine, but with the clock ticking, he must eat fast. The cormorant, having caught its fish, goes back to the surface. One last mouthful, and it's also time for the iguana to head for home. But to stop his muscles from seizing up in the cold water, he must get back quickly.